so this is So Someday. I'm Karina, and this is my friend Cynthia.
Hi.
Okay, so today's topic, I really want to talk about Miley Cyrus. Who do you think Miley Cyrus is? Who is Miley Cyrus? I don't know if you can see this, but here. Who is Miley Cyrus? Really, who is Miley Cyrus?
Like, seriously, her voice, what's with that?
Yeah, no, I don't really like her voice. If you think she has a voice that sounds like a horse that's getting stepped on, I'm sorry, but me and you will be best buddies forever. Really, I mean it. I don't like her voice. I don't know why she's ever singing. And you know the last song? Apparently she's in a movie, the last song. With this
By Nicholas Sparks.
Yeah, Nicholas Sparks, he's awesome. But Miley Cyrus, no. I'm sorry, no. Okay, everyone's like, oh my gosh, I cried in that movie and it was so sad. No, it wasn't. It can't be. It's Miley Cyrus in it. Come on, guys. You know what I mean? Okay, anyways, I don't know.
She didn't even watch it yet.
I didn't. She
So,
really wants to watch it.
I really want to watch it. I don't know. I feel like it's going to be a good movie just because it's Nicholas Sparks, but Miley Cyrus kind of downs my mood a bit.
Yeah. So, okay, to you, is Miley Cyrus your daily whore? The beautifulest celeb ever, maybe?
Is she just an average ugly girl, or why is she even a celeb? Like, seriously?
The goddess you've never known, or the most horrible singer? That we have to agree. Let's go. Let's go. Everybody, seriously.
Number
her singing?
6, people.
No. Okay, seriously. So I want you guys to comment below, subscribe. I don't know, and I want you to tell me which one you think.
Vote for it. Number 1.
Oh, sorry, this one.
Number 1.
Your daily whore.
Number 2.
The beautifulest celeb you've ever met.
Number 3.
Just an average ugly girl.
Number 4.
Why is she even a celebrity? And number 5.
Number 5.
The goddess you've never known in your life.
Number 6.
The most horrible singer. Let's all vote for that. Seriously, comment below. Tell us what you think. And yes, I really want to know. And see, she's not even in many magazines. And Miley Cyrus, her face makes me gag. I'm sorry. Look at this. Do you think this is pretty? What do you think about this? Seriously, Miley Cyrus. Look at her laugh. I'm sorry, but the only good part of her body is her face. I mean, no, sorry, not her face. Her eyes. Her eyes are like the nicest thing about her. Like, I'm sorry, she's not very pretty, not very attractive, and she sings like a horse.
Yeah, pretty much.
I mentioned that, but I'm just gonna say it again because yes.
Oh yeah, and if anyone has seen her recent photo shoot for Teen Vogue magazine, her hair is like down to her waist. And seriously, I don't think that looks much too attractive. It actually kind of creeps me out. It's down to her waist. It's like down here. I bet if she pushed all her hair back, it'd be longer down past her butt.
To her butt or something. And she curled her hair, right? And it went all the way down
to like... It was still here. It was curled and it was still all the way down here. It just freaked me out. So let me know what you think.
Yeah.
I don't know, maybe you like it, but personally, I think it's just kind of too weird. No.
Yeah, and so, so comment, subscribe, watch it over and over and over again. Get your friends to watch it. I don't know. Just comment. We really want to know what you're gonna say, what your opinion is, and everything.
What you think about Miley Cyrus.
So, basically, who's Miley Cyrus? That's the main topic. I want you to tell us what. So I don't like her. No, we don't like her. So comment, rate. Bye now.
Bye.
Close it. Thanks.